Hi, welcome back. On this episode, we're going to change the spring on a French door in a Samsung fridge. So right now, when you open it up, this is flopping, the spring's broken, you gotta hold it to close it. So we're going to go over on how to replace that spring. So you're able to buy the replacement spring, and the part number on it is B07FP7XY9N. And it's a French door refrigerator spring for Samsung DA81-01345B. And it comes with the sleeve, which you need that as well. So you're going to have a little white sleeve that will go on one side of the spring. And then you have your spring. It's one side has a little bend in it, a little kick. That side will go up, and that's the side that the sleeve goes on. So once you slide the sleeve on, it will look like that. There's that white sleeve there. Without that sleeve, it will break prematurely. And now we can open up the door and install it. Alright, this door only has a spot for a spring down the bottom. Some doors will have multiple spring locations, but this door is only on the bottom. So I like to slide the white sleeve on first, and you can see that that sleeve can only go on the top side. The hole is bigger on the top than it is on the bottom. It's just a small hole on the bottom. So I like to slide it up and in all the way, and then roll it over. And then I lift up. Lift up and then in. And then that's it. Just like so. And now the door will close. And then you can open it and without having that piece bugger up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the notification button and subscribe. Have a great day.